Hey everybody, it's a cold day here in Texas, and I notice I got another problem when it rains. It catches on top of my high tunnel there and really puts a bending on it. Well, as you can see, if you can see, out there, two big old places that's holding water. I gotta try to get that emptied before it collapses this thing. I need to get some 2x4s and brace the middle of this thing so water won't try to set on top of it. But I gotta wait to get to the lumber yard one day and get some boards, and they're so expensive you don't want to buy them. So let me put this down somewhere. This ain't working out too good. I'll try again. There, that'll work. That's a boat paddle. Yeah, that is heavy. Well, that got it. I'll just have to get out here this weekend before we have another rain and try to brace all that up. But I'm going to show you my plants that's coming up. That's the lettuce. It's starting to come up that I planted a few days ago. That's the bok choy trying to come up. This was supposed to be spinach. I think it's trying to come up. I think I see one little green head there. I planted some more spinach over here. It hadn't shown any signs of coming up yet. But spinach is doing good. I believe this is some cabbage I planted. I didn't mark nothing. Yep, it's cabbage. I need to get these peppers pulled up and plant something else. Blackberry bush still alive. Some more cabbage and broccoli. Well, my pepper plant's still alive. Probably just need to trim it back some. Will it grow? I got the smallest pepper. Well, that's an update right now. I just gotta get this high tunnel braced up. These little old 7/8 pipes aren't very strong. It's just 7/8 inch right here. I would like to build one out of the top 1 3/8 fence rail. Maybe I'll get around it to one of these days. It just takes time and money and a good strong back, which I don't have. But that's the update for now. We'll see y'all later.